Spectrum Management Training Course, Tonex Training. Spectrum Management Training Course, Frequency Planning, and Spectrum Management Training Crash Course. Spectrum Management Training Course is designed for anyone working in spectrum management and frequency planning related fields who should attend. The course is designed for engineers, managers, analysts, individuals with either technical and non-technical backgrounds whose job requires a basic understanding of the frequency planning and spectrum management processes. Topics covered: policy options for frequency planning, spectrum management, technologies utilizing frequency planning, spectrum and their roles in the development priorities, efficient implementation of new technologies, emerging technologies and policy options, principles of electromagnetic energy and RF, electromagnetic compatibility regulations, principles of interference, electromagnetic interference, EMI, and electromagnetic compatibility, EMC. Economic importance of electromagnetic compatibility. Key optimization of frequency and spectrum assignment. Formulation and solution of frequency assignment and spectrum management. Primarily individuals who work as planners, radio network engineers or radio optimization engineers, or staff working on performance measurement disciplines. Course agenda. Introduction to frequency planning and spectrum management. The framework for frequency planning and spectrum management. Spectrum planning. Spectrum allocation. Spectrum band planning and management. Reframing of spectrum. Pricing concepts. Spectrum authorization. Control, monitoring and compliance enforcement. Request more information. Visit tonex.com.